Okay, we are here today with my chiropractic assistant, Victoria, and we're going to be demonstrating the Y-strap chiropractic adjustment technique in Raleigh, North Carolina. Tell us what you've been having. You've been having some headaches how long have those been bothering you?
So they've been lasting about, I'd say, a week or two, just everyday persistent headaches from time to time during the day.
Okay. So you've had a headache every day for the past week.
Mm-hmm.
We just filmed a video here kind of demonstrating the Y-strap technique, and she mentioned she had headaches and wanted to actually give it a try. So we're going to do an axial decompression chiropractic adjustment. It's a little bit different than your typical chiropractic adjustment where you have the rotational element, although we are also going to do the rotational adjustment. But first we're going to do a axial chiropractic adjustment using the Y-strap. So we're going to have the patient lay here face up, and we're going to just kind of drape the knees over the table, and then we'll lean back slowly. Good. And we're going to bring the chin to the chest. Good. Come back. Yeah, we'll try and, that's perfect there. Good. Good. And then we'll scoot up a little here on the table.